So, hi guys, me is Jasleen Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Amdicon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor. Of lately, I've been sharing a few posts on my design recommendations for flora, bio, architecture, beauty, and how plants and flowers can be included and are usually introduced and can be uh, presented in a sophisticated fashion. I'd share two, three concepts. One was using these storage baskets, the brown ones, the English baskets that you have, which you use for confectionery and for in various hotels you'll see they have these trays made out of bamboo or jute or whatever where they have their soaps, and they have the toothpaste, and they have probably towels and everything. So you use those baskets, the big circular baskets, for flowers. The second idea was, if I remember correctly, using cutlery at your home, which could be cutlery jars, cutlery vases, and stuff like that. And the third was to use glass containers, discarded ones, to kind of have those happening. Okay, so let me take you through these ideas. What I meant was, like, this is one here. So this is basically, if you can see the baskets, all we've done is have the basket here with the sponge and the flowers and this leaves and stuff. So this is how easy it is to do this. So second one is the second one is using your crystal. So here's the crystal. So there's a crystal, and then there are these flowers in the sponge. Again, three items, that's it. And the third is the glass containers. This is a glass container, and you have sponge and you have just the flowers. So it's really easy to do this. And you can also have metallic planters and stuff like that. That's another idea. I've not shared that, so I'm not extending it, but there you have, yeah, that one. So आप देख सकते हैं, you can see how lovely and how gorgeous and how exotic and how fresh and everything stuff is looking. So that's why so much of emphasis on flora and fauna. You could have like a city and part of your own neighborhood. You can do these drives where you plant all these kind of flora and stuff, and whatever architecture interior projects you're doing, include more of landscape, vertical gardens, tall gardens. Put them up on the balconies, have them probably around the golf course or the houses and stuff, so that it's a ready to move in kind of a situation, and all that the community and people living in those spaces have to look after them. I strongly feel, I personally professionally feel, with each project that is passed in real estate, it's an idea which I kind of think out loud on. But if this is something innovative, and it can be made a mandate that whenever you have a new structure being set up, a hotel coming up, you have even a what do you call this personal spaces like apartments coming up, high-rise buildings coming up, a hospital coming up, a hotel coming up, or anything which is being constructed, a mall coming up, there be a mandate on including greenery and flora in this.